going in. So the ghost train. Oh, is it going to take us? Oh, we're stuck. Oh, there you go. This pulls down, so this is how scary it is. Quite steep. There's a little accordion, people. And Mum's there. Wait. Struggling. See these things are not on towers. That long dark tunnel.
Yeah.
Can't even see Jessica. Whoa. Who's that then? Dave. Watch, he sits up. He's going to sit up. There you go. Where's Mum? There's Mum. There's the witches at the top.
Does it work?
No, they don't work. We go down a little slope by here. But it's a break slope. So hang on, it might go down a little bit, but we're not going to do much. Hey! Whoa. No, that's it. Scary. Oh, there's another. Oh, I didn't realise I forgot about that. Oh. Oh. What's he going to do?
Nothing.
Is he going to come above us? There we go. Yeah. It's a bit random. Is there heads? There is, isn't there? Yeah, going up and down. And I think that's the end of Terror Towers. Oh, there's a werewolf. Yes. There's Mum.
It is scary.
There you go, clowns. I don't like. Right. There we go. It's going to stop now. It's all right, wasn't it?